but it was no news, no nothing. You're just like, what the fuck? Let's sell it. Oh shit! Did I just sell the right one? Yeah, I did. Did I do the right thing? Huh? Yeah, I did. I'm getting another position. You guys know I'm a guy that likes the multiple positions. Couldn't paste. Why? Oh shit! I was supposed to do 50. I was supposed to do a micro. Okay, whatever. We're good. We're good. We're still good. All right. So yeah, we're in oil right now. Let's see what a potential new low could be at with this one. Yeah, it's aligning perfectly with our 15 and 1 hour potential new low. Fuck it, bro. We're gonna take this trade. All right, let's see if 30 is going to give us anything in the meantime. You guys can't even see my stats. Let me show you my stats as it does what it does. Let's see. Yeah, no, I think 30. I think 30 is just going to keep going up. Like this is the pullback. Let me see what it looks like off the 4 hour. Damn. There's like no wicks at all. It's just all strong sellers. This is gonna be tough for me to determine what's going on. No more, no. It's my shit. Oh, y'all see that right there? That's fucking crazy. Jesus Christ. We might be coming to my stop loss at this point with that move right there. Fucking A. Fucking A. Guys, so while we wait, let's talk about these two different things right here. So we have Board Funded. Board Funded, guys, if you are interested in getting a prop firm account, make sure you go ahead and tap into boardfunded.com. You are able to use my discount code SOLO30. You are basically able to get 30% off using my code. Once again, I just got one of the biggest payouts with Board Funded this month. Beginning of this month, really it was for last month, but we did $8,000. I posted it in one of my YouTube videos, all of that. And I'm not trading it right now, but we do and will be trading it hopefully next month. I can't trade a personal and a prop firm at the same time because my risk is completely different and it would fucking throw me off mentally. So I'm only focusing on my personal right now because I know a lot of you guys are interested in that. And secondly, if you guys are interested in tapping into my community, our new community where we will be doing more live streams in person and so forth, you guys are able to do that. You probably can't see the screen. Let me actually show this screen. There we go. You guys are able to join Trade with Solo, basically tapping in and getting locked in from there. Other than that, yep, that's pretty much that. That is pretty much that. Okay, now we just randomly drop. Here we go. That's what I like to see, oil. What scares me is this 5-minute wick.
Tattoos on your back, it got your hair like. Just say in your cup, it make you feel like you just wanna have a good time.
Yo, if any of you guys are a producer in the music industry, hit me up. Hit me up on Instagram, The Real Solo E. Hit me up on Instagram. I would love to work with you guys. I'm actually building my music career off of my platform that I have now. I decided, like, why the fuck not, right? The new era of music is everybody's trying to do it, but nobody's not doing it accordingly. It's not 2012 where you can just say, hey, I got a new song. But I'm actually want to show you guys what the fuck solo really does, you know, besides trade. This is another pullback for 30. 30 is not giving me my pullbacks that I want. Damn, this is a clean one though. It's not. This is a shitty trade. This is a 1 minute. I would not take a one. I don't like taking 1-on-1s off of 1 minute. I like to look for them great moves like that, but that's not it though. We're already coming into our very what is this, our midpoint right now, so yeah, I can see price coming in here. But oil is going back up. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if we're going to come. I don't know what's going to happen right here. I'm cautious right here because off the 5 minute, we got this wick. So I'm just curious to see what's going to happen. I'm going to hold this trade out a little bit, like really technically within this wick. So I'm really looking at price momentum right now, and I'm just like, hold on, it's something that looks like a flimsy play right there. Trump speaks at 7 p.m. today. Hey, this is my shit. I gotta turn this up. Ain't nothing cool than listen to your own shit while you trying to make some profits, y'all. Hold up. Hey, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. No more losses, y'all. No more losses. Now when you tapping into solo streams, no more losses. This is our theme song every time we get in profit.
Put up attacking my main thing. I exit out, it was plain change. I wanna hear all the birds sing. We thought sex and love was the same thing. We thought sex and love was the same thing. And girl, it's nowhere near the same thing. No more losses. I thought I lost you until I found you. I wanna be around you. I'm exhausted from all this talking. Girl, I'm off it. Let's stop talking. We in public. Yeah, I'm rich, but still I choose to be loved. Yeah, choose to be loved.
My shit. Come on, baby. Keep going. Keep going. I am trading oil right now for those that don't know. Sorry, I can't see what the fuck y'all saying because this shit I'm using is trash. Y'all can see it right here too, by the way. Hopefully.
I still fit you. All of the money, all of my mentions. No more losses.
Hey, thought I lost it. This is no more losses.
Until I found you. I wanna be around you. I'm exhausted from all this talking. Girl, I'm off it. Let's stop talking. We in public. Yeah, I'm rich, but still I choose to be loved. Choose to be loved. Choose to be loved. Making all the comma, fucking them up. You know what's up. Give me your trust. You trust me, you wanna come be with me. Love on me, touch on me, fuck on me, suck on me, eat with me.
Oh yeah, baby, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
No more losses. No more losses. I'm getting exhausted from all this arguing and this talking. No more losses. No more losses. I ain't lost you, thought I lost you. I ain't lost you. No more losses. I thought I lost you until I found you. I wanna be around you. I'm exhausted from all this talking. Girl, I'm off it. Let's stop talking. We in public. Yeah, I'm rich, but still I choose to be loved. Choose to be loved. Choose to be loved. Yeah. Making all the comma, fucking them up. You know what's up. Give me your trust.
Telling y'all gotta hit them with them no more losses, cause I'm telling you right now, this is my shit right here. We gotta get this account up slowly but surely. Gotta get it up. Gotta get it up. My account went from 11 grand, $1,000 to 11 grand, and then back down to $1,000. Now we're at 35 as far as our current balance. Yo, this is fucking crazy. Oh my god. Oh, this $600 profit, bro. Fuck it. I'm out. I'm out. I got out early because I just said fuck it, y'all. That's $600. I'm fine with it. Our account is at $4,000 now. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I ain't moving my stops. I'm not doing nothing. I'm out. I'm cool with that money. I'm still mentally trying to recover from that $9,000 loss that I took. So it was a mental thing. Sorry guys, but I'm out. I'm out. I'm just letting you know straight up. I'm letting you know. Fuck it. I got what I got, right? It is gonna go down though. I do see it going down, but I'm fuck it out.
Mama overworking double shift, she gotta get a grind on. All this overtake she work, and she missed her time home. But I get it, you got children, you gotta put your mind on it. This the realest shit that's happening, this money's not slow. Let's make it rain on them. Fuck it up, I know you really out here sound. But if you with it, we gon' roll it up for the man, homies.
Yo, I'm out because I do